everyone, it's Gina. Today I'm going to show you how to make my two-color graduation tassel and also my multicolor graduation tassel. You can make these so quickly. The two-color graduation tassel you can make for less than $1 in under a minute. And the multicolor graduation tassel you can make for about $1 in less than 5 minutes. And I'm going to show you how. What you will need to make these are gold twist ties, which you can get at the craft store, embroidery floss, you can also get this at the craft store, some sharp scissors, and for the multicolor, you also need a piece of cardboard. And that's it. So if you like this video, please click down below, and also please subscribe if you'd like to see more of my videos, because I post new things every week. Also, comment down below and let me know what you would like to make next. So let's get started.